Hello guys, welcome to my channel nail art. So this video about beautiful nails and unique colors and new unique color nails. So let's start it. So this one is a beautiful red and a beautiful color. So again this one is a play color, so a new design. For this one is a pink color shining soap flowers design. Again this one is a pink color and a beautiful color. This one is a plaque and white color combination, so cute. Again this one is a plaque and white heart design, so beautiful and cute. This one is a beautiful flower color, so cute and nice. Again this one is a pink and white color flowers, so beautiful. This one is a beautiful unique color paint. Again this one is a beautiful white and a beautiful nails, so this one is a black and white color combination, so cute. Again this one is a white color and a beautiful flowers. This one is a beautiful skin and white color combination. This one is a dark green, so beautiful. Again this one is a white color and a beautiful design. So this one is a baby pink paint and a heart design. Again this one is a beautiful design and a heart. So this one is a golden and black color combination, so cute. Again this one is a beautiful stars and moon black color design. This one is a golden black pink color, so multicolor designs. Again this one is a beautiful white and pink and black color combination. This one is a white and black color combination, so cute. Again this one is a beautiful colors and a design, so you can't have to a much glitter. There is no such thing. Let the SP cover out this easy design. So if you are looking for a design to go well with short nails, this is a cute and pretty, so it's for everyone and other are great to a short nail lovers. So nails are the main colors style with a chunky gold glitter. Other finger the color sparkly a maple leaf. This one is a pink color, so cute and nice. Again this one is a dark purple color, so cute with white color combination. Again this one is a purple and a shining color combination. So this one is a pink color and white color combination, so beautiful flower. So this one is a beautiful color and a beautiful flower. This one is a maroon color with white color, so cute. Again this one is a beautiful red and a white color, so new design. This one is a beautiful red and white color flowers, so thank you so much.